If you are wondering if we have a screen recorder available on the Nothing Phone 3, then the answer is yes. As you can see over here, I have a widget with the screen record button, so I can use it in my home screen in order to record the screen as I wish. And once it starts recording, I can of course stop as well at any point by just tapping on this button again. By default, of course, we also have access to a screen recorder by going to Quick Settings or the Control Center. In my case, it is on the second page over here. If you want to have this widget on the home screen, you need to press and hold your finger on a blank area, go to Widgets, find Quick Settings, select it, and then choose the size of the button. So let's say I'm gonna choose 1 by 1 this time, and I'm gonna place it anywhere I wish it to be. And then over here from this list, we need to select the screen record option. There we go. And now I can just press this button in order to start the screen recording. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.